Okay, so today I will be doing the apartment tour. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. Today's the right time to do it since no one's home but me. I tied it up a little bit, just a teeny tiny bit. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys a little bit too much of my place, but I'm in front of the door right now and I'm gonna show you guys the patio balcony area that we're sitting at outside when we feel like drinking coffee and stuff. Okay, y'all, so I'm outside the door right now. I'm gonna show you guys the patio balcony area, and I'm gonna pinpoint everything that I got. But this table set that I got is from Ikea. Even the pillows. We put the trash on that car mat, and then we have a grill and Manny's car toys. Turn around, we have the welcome mat, and here's the door. We have a green door. Okay, turn around, and on this wall next to the door we have the keys, and there's a little frame, and right here is the sofa. We have like a dark brown poopy color couch, but it's really comfortable. I got these pillow sets from Ikea. Have a side table. I got these two from Target, and this little picture Polaroid frame is from Urban Outfitters. I'm not sure where my brother got this from, but it's an hourglass, and I have this cacti refreshing thing, scented, make the whole room smells good. I forgot to mention how soft this rug is that I got from Ikea, and is the bomb. Right here we have another couch. I got these two pillows from Marshall's, and this tray is from Target, and these little coaster thingies are from Forever 21. And we have a TV right here. I'm actually watching like house stuff. Fake plant, because I'm not really good at taking care of real ones, and this is from Ikea. And I don't know where my brother got this standing lamp from, but yeah. Okay, we're gonna go here in this little spot. Okay, Manny's toys is behind the couch to hide all this clutterness. And we have his big old box of toys in there, his Legos, his stuffed animals, and those little, I don't know what that is called, and his basketball rim. And we have an aquarium. Let me turn on the light. We used to have 4 fishes in here, but I think one of them ate one of them, I don't know. But the yellow one is right there under the log. He's coming at us. He thinks I have food. And then another one is behind that big old rock, and the other one is hiding inside that log. And yeah. Alright, so down here we have a dog. I don't know what breed he is. I think he's a Maltese poodle. I think he's a Maltese poodle. I'm not pretty sure. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so here is the kitchen island. We have like I really tried to do a freaking bullet journal thing majigger, but I suck. So I just made it like a regular calendar, and then lighters for the candles. Turn around, we have a dining table, basic dining table. My brother got the table, but I'm not sure where he got it. Table mats are from Ikea. Also this is from Ikea, and yeah. And it is a picture, a map of, I forgot what my brother said that the map of, I don't know. I forgot what he said. Okay, we got cereal up here on top of the fridge. We also have more snacks on this in this cabinet. Yeah, we hide the snacks because when we have company, they like to steal all our food, snacks, and stuff. On the side, just important stuff that needs to be read and stuff like that. Freezer, we don't have that much. Ice cream and popsicles and frozen food and stuff. Also, the fridge doesn't have much. We have eggs, a lot of juice. Yeah, we need to stock up because it's really empty right now. And yeah, vegetables and stuff on the bottom drawers. Microwave, we have our like cleaning stuff right here between the little thing. Babe got me a ladder because I can't get up there to get the snacks. Thanks, babe, you're the best. Nothing really special here. Silverware and utensils, glove mittens for when we make cake and brownies and stuff. Plastic bags because we use those for the bathroom. My dog's food. Sink. Oh, I should have cleaned that up. Soap, detergent thing for the dish soap. There he goes. More cleaning utilities and paper towels, and these are more of like plasticware containers. Trash. Pantry, we don't have much. Oh, the vacuum is right here because we have a small child that likes to touch everything, so that is hidden in here. Top drawer is trash bags and foil and plastic cups. This one is like more of like a starch and powdered stuff. Third drawer is bread and oatmeal and canned goods. Fourth drawer is condiments and sauce and stuff like that. And oh man, I don't even know what to explain to this one. It's more like miscellaneous. We also have like junk food and boxes, food boxes and tea bags and stuff like that. And noodles. And the last, very bottom one is drinks and juices and oil. We have a stove right here. Not much. We have like little knickknacks of like sauce from like Chick-fil-A and Whataburger. That, and then we have a fruit basket that we've supposed to be filled up with fruit, but I got smushed cookies in here. Okay, we have a drawer stuff in here, cabinets. This one is Babe's tools and pens and knickknacks. And okay, this one is filled with mail and like phone cords and tablet cords to charge your phone and stuff. This is pots and pans and rice cooker and the tea, coffee, water maker thing. Okay, that's it for the kitchen. I think I covered it up. No, I didn't. Okay, up above the microwave is more plates and stuff. There's nothing really up here besides Manny's Easter basket or his Halloween basket and stuff like that. And my dad gave that to Manny, but he's not gonna eat all that candy, so we hid it up for him. That stays in there for sometimes. And then up here is cups and more plasticware. Okay, that I covered up, and we have a clock right here. And I think I covered up everything. Okay, so this wall is basically like family religion thing, kind of. I don't know what to call it. I'm not gonna go through each one, but y'all know what I mean. And then right here is the movies. If we have company, we can watch movies. And this one is an empty one because we don't know what to put on there, so that's empty. Right here we have the guys lifting weights thing majigger. Alright, So underneath the table we have Manny's potty thing. I should put that in a restroom because I know it'd be kind of nasty to leave that there. Alright, next to the table we have a sink, and we just have like necessities that we need daily or we use daily. And then I have my makeup mirror right here. Okay, this drawer is nothing but like little knickknacks and nail cutter and stuff like that. This one is more of like the hair or whatever. Yeah, we have brushes and my hair curler, the boys do-rag, whatever, and my hair thingy majiggy. We're down here is more of like detergent and bleach and cleaning stuff, so that's nothing fancy. When you turn, here's the restroom. There goes me. Nothing special with the restroom. There goes the restroom. That's what we use for hair, body wash, and stuff like that. Manny's little toy. Yeah. Okay, so down here we have the mop bucket, the paper towel, not paper towel, is it paper towel? Yeah, paper towel right there. Manny's little tool thingy and his little basket for a tub basket. There you go. Because I don't like to waste water, so he take baths in there. Also, here is the toothpaste stuff that we like to put in there, and then this is all our like medical, like medicine stuff here. You have like the, what's that called, first aid kit and stuff in there, or like when you get sick, there's Vicks in there and Babe's other tools in there. This is like the closet next to the sink, and this is basically everything. We have board games and Manny's swimming vest, towels, and face towels. This is my feminine stuff. I have candles back there, my deodorant, soap, more body wash and lotion and stuff like that. This is like for everybody. This is Manny's stuff, Manny's body wash and shampoo, adult body wash and shampoo, and stuff like that. Nail stuff and face wash. Blankets for when we have company, we have blankets here, and dirty towels down there. Yeah, okay. So when you go outside the restroom, we have two rooms right here. This one I'm not gonna show you because that's my brother's room, and I don't think he wanna show you guys his room, so we're just gonna show this room. Right when you walk in, we put our shoes mainly right here to, you know, put it right here, but I'll be the one to put it right there because Babe likes to put his stuff everywhere and I don't like it. It's like too much. And then we have this cabinet. Basically I have my PS3 right here, my computer, my games, and cords and stuff. And Babe have mounted his TV right there, and bam, and this is where the love happens. I'm just kidding. Okay, so this blanket I got it from Ikea. Also the bed sheet is from Ikea. But the gray, I don't know if y'all can see that, it looks white. The gray one, the gray pillowcase is from Target, I think. And this body pillow is from Target. You got red curtains. And Babe's, Manny's bed is right here, but he's currently sleeping in this one for right now. It is temporary, but he's gonna get his big boy bed. He has his stuffed animal. His favorite one to sleep with is that monkey right there. Okay, next to the other side of the bed is this nightstand, and Babe likes to like put stuff and drink water at night when he's thirsty. And he got a picture of his mom and a picture of his dad, and that's him. Isn't he so handsome? Little babe. That's when he graduated high school. And then the bottom, oh, I mentioned that is from, I think, Marshall's or Target. This lamp. I forgot what it was or where it came from. But the bottom one, this little thing is Manny's books. And here just clutter, just like Manny's Play-Doh. I like to keep it in here because when he puts it in his toy box, it'll be everywhere and just, yeah. And then I got pictures of Manny when he was a baby, tissues in here. That's just junk. Alright, so next to, okay, next to Manny's bed is the drawer. I'm not gonna show you each one, but like I'm just gonna tell you what it is. This one is my underwear and my socks, my house clothes and shorts, and stuff. And this one is Manny's clothes. Can't y'all believe like a 2-year-old has this much clothes? Like, why? Look at this. Okay, this one's Babe. This is his t-shirts and long sleeve, I think. His sweats. And I think this is his underwear and basketball shorts, so. Okay, turn around here. This is the closet. Let me turn on the light for y'all. Okay, so this is the closet. Run it up. When you open it, I have my shoe game going on right here. I had to donate some of it because it's too much, so I barely wear shoes. This is my side, and then this is Manny's and Babe's side. And I know what y'all thinking, like I should got this side because it's bigger, and he should have got this side. Alright, so I don't even know where to begin. Alright, so right here, this is Manny's pull-ups and my extra shoes like heels and stuff. These are belts, Manny's clothes like jackets and sleeping wear, Babe's shorts and jeans and whatever, and the rest of his clothes I don't even know. Up here are his shoes and more of his shoes. Up there is backpacks and our purses and hats and stuff. Right here on top of this drawer these are the clothes that we wear for the house, and then this is his work clothes. This side contains of my hospital stuff and coin jar. This one contains my makeup and my perfume. This one, I don't even know what's in here. Babe's clothes. This one is my scrubs. That one is my long sleeve thick jackets that can't hang up for the winter time. This Babe socks, our hats, no, not our hats, our beanies. All our beanies are in there, and Manny's dirty clothes are in there. And then over there is, this bin is filled with Manny's shoes, and then this other one is filled with Babe's fish tank decor stuff. So this one is a dirty laundry. My side contains of, okay, all this is hoodies and jackets, and then we got jeans and sweatpants, and then yoga pants, and then basic t-shirts right here, and then like casual clothes right here, or like going out clothes. These are like baseball t-shirts, and we have rompers and dresses, and the back we got, what's this called? Flannel, yeah. And up here is Babe's lotion and cologne and shaving kit and stuff. And that's about it. Okay. Hey y'all, so I hope you guys like the apartment. And I know we don't have that much, but we have everything that we need. And I wasn't trying to brag or anything, but I really hope you guys inspire of what the design of our apartment looked like and everything. So I'll see you guys next time. That's all.